Julia, and I had a wintry art attack.
Hi, I'm Hayley. I did my picture using white chalk on black paper to make a snow scene. Hi, my name's Jason, and I did my night winter picture with snow falling all over my snowman using lots of white paint.
Ah, what a great art attack, using white paint and chalk on black paper. And you know, I must admit, I really love winter pictures and snowy scenes, and you can draw snow the other way round, with black charcoal on white paper. Try this. Now, if you're going to draw a snowy scene on white paper, it's just a case of doing all the shapes and making them very fat and very fluffy, because the snow is covering absolutely everything. It's covering all the detail, so you can't see all the bits of roofs. And also, you don't have to draw your lines very heavily. You can just draw them very light and wispy, because in winter, you get that sort of winter fog or mist, don't you? And again, just drawing some trees in here, but I don't have to draw proper tree shapes because they're covered in snow, covering all the detail. So I'm just hinting at all the shapes and making them fat and fluffy. And again, just drawing very light, wispy lines gives the impression that everything is just covered in snow. And you also get a lot of sausage shapes, like on fences or on hedges. Just doing a fence here that you can hardly see because it's got all these snowy sausages on it. See a bit of the fence peeping through, the fence posts. And of course, when it's snowing, you always get footprints in the snow, just leaving little marks. And over here, more sausages. Again, you don't see much detail because it's all hidden by the snow. And of course, in the winter you get lots of icicles on things, so a couple of icicles there. Yeah, you've guessed it. There he is. Behind the shape. Very light and wispy snowman. And to really put atmosphere into your picture, just smudge the lines very lightly with your finger. I'll start here. And just looking for all of these lines and just gently smudging them. And see what happens. It makes it look all misty, like on a cold and frosty winter's morning. Not too hard, just gently smudge the lines across your paper. Give it this lovely misty effect, a bit on the snowman. And there it is, a winter picture. Try it yourself, and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!